There's a child in my house. Who let you in?
You.
No.
Hey everyone, it's JoJo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel today.
Why are you screaming?
Because I have to. Chill. Hey everyone, it's JoJo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very exciting special guest, Miranda Singh. She's my favorite human being on this planet.
Don't touch me.
Anyways, she does not really know how to make slime. She claims she's made it before, but she really doesn't have a clue.
I do know what I'm doing. I made it with hair. Also, the camera is 2 feet from you. You don't need to scream.
But I don't need to whisper either because then they can't hear me.
They can hear that. Did you hear that? Leave a comment. Did you hear her whisper?
Anyways, today we're going to be making slime because why not? I need to teach her how to make it. Last time I taught her how to dance. She tried to teach me how to dance. It worked.
I did teach you how to dance.
Okay. I'm just going to stop arguing with her and we're just going to get to making some slime.
Let's do it. Okay, that's for a snack.
No, you don't eat that. Don't eat
This is for you to clean. You.
Yeah.
Whoa. So this is snack time. When are we making the slime?
Right now.
Oh, I thought this was...
This is how you make the slime. Are you going to pour a lot or a little?
I'm not, obviously, I'm very hungry.
You're not going to eat this.
Yes, it's snack time.
Do you know what's in glue?
Glue.
Poison.
There's no poison in glue.
There is poison in glue, and if you eat it, don't even sniff it. No, please, I don't want you to die.
It smells really good. Don't touch, don't touch. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so now this is gonna be your favorite part. You get to put glitter in.
Oh, yay.
You can pick whatever colors you want. I'll put the glitter in the middle. You want pink?
To
Pink,
red.
pink's not a good one.
Why?
Because I want pink.
Okay, selfish. I'll do green.
I want green too.
What the heck, selfish? I get it.
There you go.
Give it to me. Give
No,
it to
only
me.
if you can reach
Give
it.
it to me. Give it to me, JoJo. I swear to God, first you're screwing in my house and you're stealing my glitter. Give me.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Can I get all these ones?
No.
Thanks. I want yellow and I want blue.
Okay. And I get these two?
No, I will take them back from you, so.
Oh, you want these back?
Thanks. You are the worst.
Only if I can have a high five.
Did it.
Oh, yay, good job. There you go.
Okay, thank you. All right, what do we do?
You're gonna take this and you can pour as much or as little as you want.
Ooh, you love purple. Yellow. What the heck? That one was for me.
I wanted some pink.
I'm gonna do yellow and green.
You gotta use the pink too since you made a big deal
I don't
about
want
it.
the pink now. You touched it. It has your germs on it.
Oh, it has germs on it.
Yay.
From me.
I want more yellow.
You want more yellow?
Yes.
I touched that one too.
Well, now
You
this
have
has germs on it. I can start over.
You really need to start over?
Yes.
Can we
it
just
has
trade?
germs. No, I don't want yours. You touched it.
Okay. But I touched that one too.
Stop reminding me.
Okay, so now I can either pour the water in it or you can.
You're pouring it in.
All right, I'll be back.
Most annoying person I've ever met in my life. Oh, hey, girl.
How you doing?
Love you so much.
Are you my best friend?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Now you're gonna like this part. You're gonna take your hand, you're gonna stick it in, and you're gonna stir it.
Okay, easy. This is taking forever.
You haven't even been doing it 10 seconds.
How do you do it? Now it's done? That does not look like slime.
That's slime.
That looks like glue and water. Ugh.
Is that heavy for you?
Yes, it's very heavy. You're making me do all this work.
Oh! Teamwork!
Teamwork makes a dream work.
Good job. That was a good one. I'm proud of you. But is your slime starting to form? Like, look at mine.
Oh, wow. Oh, it is turning into slime.
It's turning into slime. Good job. I'm proud of you.
Wow, I can't believe this actually works.
I'm a proud mom.
JoJo teach me something. It's a miracle.
I did! Okay, my slime's pretty much formed.
Well, mine needs more goopies.
Okay, so if you hold it, I'll push
got
it. Can we put some more in mine too? Perfect. Good job. Proud of you. If you stir it fast too, it'll start to form.
Mine is really slimy.
You did it!
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. You did it. Look at how beautiful.
How can you toot out of your ear? JoJo, you just became my idol. She can toot on her cheek and in her ear. This is my dream come true. You're gonna go far in life,
And
JoJo.
now it's all over my leg
You're
too.
gonna go really far in life. Wow.
Do you love it?
I love it.
Do you like mine?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh my God, first compliment I ever got.
I know. It's probably your last too.
Wow, lasted a good 5 seconds. You wanna do a challenge?
Yeah, what's the challenge?
Try to eat it. Ready, set, go.
That tastes like nail polish!
Dude, why would you eat that? Why would you eat that?
said to eat it!
Oh, I didn't think you actually would though.
You said to eat it, JoJo!
I forgot you're still in kindergarten.
No, I'm not.
What are you in?
I'm in it's not numbers at my school.
Oh, what is it?
How do I get this out?
Kindergarten's not a number.
Wow!
Isn't it beautiful?
It is beautiful.
Okay, you wanna do one more challenge?
Yes.
You can make the challenge this time since I did the challenge.
Whoever can make the best fart noise with the slime wins. It's not working. Whoa, how did you do that?
I'm just the master. Watch, you want me to do it again?
Yes.
Okay, keep playing with your slime, okay, and I'll do it.
Wow.
I know, right? Pretty amazing.
That was pretty good.
Good job. Here, watch. I bet you I can help you make a big one.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Did you do it?
Yeah, I just won.
Oh, yeah, you did.
How did you get it on your face?
From when we were eating it.
Oh, right. Wow,
Okay.
look at that slime.
I need this stuff to get off my hands. Anyways, thank you so much, Miranda, for being on my channel.
You're welcome. You're screaming again.
I am. I'm sorry. I can't help it.
Okay.
Anyways, you guys, love you so much. We did a really fun video on Miranda's channel where we shot each other with slime guns, and it was pretty fun. It was really crazy. Anyways, make sure you go subscribe to her because she's awesome. You post hilarious videos. Excuse you. Anyways, you guys, I love you so much, and thank you for watching, and peace out. Can you do a peace sign? Good job. Proud of you.